In addition to working with lead customers like yourself, we also work with key partners. And NI has been working with Microsoft for many years. It's been one of our key partners, and their partnership is even more critical than ever as we bring about intelligent test. So let's learn more about how Microsoft is paving the way for AI in enterprise and industrial.
How do we empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more?
It starts with one.
From one employee to a team, collaborating with another team.
From one partner to their customers, to their customers' customers.
Your passion.
Your ingenuity.
Your hard work. Supporting inclusive opportunity.
Protecting fundamental rights.
Committing to a sustainable future.
Earning trust.
For our society.
Our economy. Our world.
That's the impact. That's the impact.
That's the impact each of us can have.
That's our collective opportunity.
Empowering 8 billion people.
We're entering a new era of AI,
where we will be able to build as fast as our imagination,
where creativity will have no constraints.
And we can focus on the big picture.
Together, we can ensure these benefits reach
every country, every industry,
and every individual.
When we empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more,
we empower the world.
Please welcome to the stage Senior Director of Azure Data and AI at Microsoft, Matt Fangman.
Good morning, Austin. Man, test and measurement, folks, I didn't think you went so hard. Was at the party last night. Impressed. So welcome to the conclusion of season 1 of the drama-filled show called The AI Show, and the start of season 2. It's been a little bit of a crazy ride, I'll be honest. As you start to think about the innovation that has gone on, it is amazing to watch the evolution of AI. It goes back all the way from artificial foundations in the 50s and the 60s, machine learning and the models that got created and those new patterns that were brought forward, deep learning, if you remember IBM and Watson beating Gary Kasparov, that was a seminal moment in some of these evolutions. All of these technologies have built on top of each other. Generative AI is very different. It is a seminal change that we're watching in the industry right now, and we're watching this become, honestly, a revolution. It, I believe, will truly be as large, if not larger, than the internet. The number of use cases that we're seeing developed with our customers and with our partners like Emerson Test and Measurement and it's amazing to see the level of innovation. I am so proud to have them show you the demos that are going to follow. It is great that they are using this technology to implement, to automate your space. One of the big items that you'll look at is, as you start looking at generative AI and start implementing these technologies, it's only as good as the data. And with that data is the foundation for all of the models. You have to trust that that data maintains in your controls. Your data has to be your data. That data can never get moved or retrained back into the model. That is an absolute. We have to make sure that also we protect all of the questions, the prompts that are asked of it. We have to make sure your test questions are your questions. Those will never leave your lab, your organization. That has to be one of the foundations, and that is one of the pillars where we are so aligned with Emerson. They are fully aligned with all of our responsible AI pillars. If you thought you had enough co-pilots right now, you don't. I had a meeting recently with Satya Mustafa, got to meet Mustafa. We're really excited about a lot of our new leadership that has come in and focused on this. And one of the statements that was made to all of the leadership that was there and working with them was that every piece of software we ship, every piece of service we ship, every piece of hardware we ship will have a co-pilot experience. We want, and are aligned with Emerson on this, we want to make sure that you have an assistant. We want you, people, to be involved in this process. We don't believe in just full autonomous. There will be items that we will automate, but we want you to have the assistance to tap into your expertise to empower your industry, your companies, and your products. Boy, this has evolved so very, very quickly. It all started from a cloud implementation. That's how Sam Altman and OpenAI, I really give them a lot of credit for the engineering work that they've done. It all started based on a cloud. It has innovated very, very rapidly. The reason why I call it a drama-filled season 1, GPT-3.5 was released, 4 Turbo. They just announced 4.0 Omni. It is amazing to see that pace of innovation that's gone on. But are any of my friends at Qualcomm in the room? Chef kiss, my friend. They have done some amazing work. If you guys have not seen the announcement Microsoft made yesterday about the new Copilot PCs, I get to talk about the branding. I've known about this for 6 months. It's been killing me. The work that the folks at Qualcomm have done is amazing. They have introduced a neural processing unit that will allow a language model to run on a PC. It will offload from CPU, GPU, and now with a neural processing agent that they've done, absolutely phenomenal work to the point of 40 teraflops in performance. So you will be able to have a local language model in your lab, in your environment, at your test workstation that is running and scaling and performing as you want, ensuring that all of that data stays in your environment. We also believe that the edge will be super important as well. If I've got a set of test machines in a lab, I don't want to have that data roll out to any other place other than my lab. We're going to also empower everybody at the edge as well, so that we can store that data and not call and round trip back up to the cloud. The pace of innovation is rapidly, rapidly evolving. One of the big items, if you see the announcements that actually land today at the Microsoft Build Conference, I'm missing it today. It's our big developer love fest around how we're going to market and the big new announcements. Today, we announced a whole bunch of net new language models that are going to be available. Some from OpenAI, some from Hugging Face, Meta. You see this whole portfolio of language models that are out there. The big one that everybody's going to want to pay attention to is from Phi 3. It's a collaboration open source project that Microsoft has put forward, and that is some of the language models that will be available on the client. One of the big items that I was working with as we were starting to go with our AI core team, I asked them, hey, how are we making sure that we're going through and testing and doing all the detailed analysis of which models would work for the best use cases and which would be best fit for in an individual scenario or industry? And one of the leaders turned to me and said, Matt, we trust nothing that anybody says us. We test absolutely everything. So you're going to see us provide transparency on all of our benchmarking. You're going to see us provide transparency on the best use of these use cases, the best language model for you to potentially implement. If you want to fine-tune something for your industry data, we want you to have that available to you as well. So with that being said, our partnership with NI is deep, it's long, it's storied. LabVIEW, it's amazing to see the heritage and the community that's available here. Emerson, if you buy in and work with us on this vision, we together can innovate faster than anybody can imagine. We want AI to be integrated into all of your products as well. It is amazing to see the power. I'm so proud to be able to make sure that we represent Microsoft and our partnership together with Emerson. Do not trust, test absolutely everything. Thank you.